V2, this is Lily from pksneaker.net. I'm going to review on the Yeezy 350 V2 reflecting versions static. This is the shoes I got for you guys. Why I said this is the reflecting versions, because there is another version, non-reflective version static, right? The shoes I do review now is the reflective versions. The whole shoes has a reflective effect. Its whole shoes upper is the 3M material used. Not only the shoes lace, whole the shoes uppers you see on the shoes has the reflecting effect. I will do the light review later on the shoes. First, I'm gonna to show you the shoes quality and the material of the shoes used. Okay, first let me show you the shoes toe box here. The shoes design depends on the Yeezy 350 V2, but the material and the pattern is very special, right? Just you see here on my reviews, you can see the shoes, the pattern here, the strip 3M is so different with other Yeezy V2 shoes, right? And okay, first let me show you the shoes toe box here. It's a half transparent, you can see here, and on the shoes toe here you can see there is a different types of the green colorways stitchings. You can see some is deeper, some is lighter gray colorways here, and there is a white stitchings mix also here, and also this strip is so special. You can see here it's a transparent. You can see my fingers when I put it inside here. See, so this is the pattern on the static with Yeezy is so special design. Yeah, it's very amazing here, and you can check the angles here the patterns again. The texture is very cool. Also here is the shoes. Let's do the closer look at on it, and you can check the back shape. There's a pro tag on the back here also. Yeah, okay, this is how the midsole you can see is cream white. Okay, there's a middle strip from the shoes toe here, gold strip through the angles here. Okay, now let's do the inside. You can see the inside here. The pattern is very special also. Here is not the same with other Yeezy V2 shoes pattern texture. Now you can see the texture here is the angles also, and the pro tag on the back here. Okay, and another shoes is just exactly same here. One more I want to say is the strip here is on this part is transparent here. Also you can see here, and you can check the texture and the pattern again, very special. Okay, now let's go back side here and check here. As I said, there's a pro tag on the back, and you guys need focus on the back shape again here. It's very special. Okay, you guys could check the boost. It's the whole boost. The whole bottom is the boosted material, and the bottom is the cream white. You know. Okay, and let's do the closer look at the boost part. You guys could see here is real boost material used here. You can check the texture. The boost is real. The boost here, and you can see the texture very clearly, right? It's very soft. Yeah. Okay. Now let's do the inside of the shoes. On this part is a suede material as other same as the other Yeezy V2 shoes. Here, this part. Yeah, and there's a 3 strip on the back here. It's a reflecting light also here. It has a okay, and take out the shoes insole. Here is the stitching inside. You can see it's very clear and clean, right? The stitching is very beautiful. Here goes the inside tag here, and the insole here. There's Adidas and Yeezy logo. The back of it have a design like this. The insole just like the other. Yeah. Now let's do the review under the light on Yeezy. The static with true reflecting light versions. You guys could find the whole shoes will reflecting light. Not only the shoes lace, whole the shoes. You can see. Yeah, it's so amazing, right? Here. Let's do closer look at the shoes. Very cool, right? Yeah. Whole the shoes will reflecting light. The shoes toe balls, the shoes lace, and the side of the shoes, and the 3 strap on the back here. All shoes will reflecting light. You guys could compare it with the non-reflecting light. It has only the shoes lace will reflecting light. Here you see, this is the non-reflecting light version, and this is the reflecting versions. So cool, right? All the shoes is a 3M material used, so that's why there are so many people are looking for it, because it's so amazing design, you know. Okay, here is the review under the light on static reflecting Yeezy, and this is the effect under the UV light test on the static reflecting shoes. You can check here, and you also could compare it with the non-reflective versions. They under UV light test, they see not so much differences. You guys look at the shoes, so you guys could see the shoes really amazing, right? The very special design on the Yeezy V2 shoes. So you guys, if you guys like it, let me know, and you guys could check more details on pksneaker.net. Any question or any you want to know, you can email me or send me WhatsApp message. This is Lily. Thank you. Bye.